8 years ago, I was 32, broke, stuck in a dead-end job, with $50,000 sitting in a savings account earning almost nothing. Today, that same money, through investing in SCHD, helps generate $4,200 per month in dividend income, or over $50,000 yearly. I no longer work for a paycheck. In this video, I'll break down my exact strategy year by year, including the mistakes, lessons, and decisions that helped me reach financial freedom by 40. This isn't theory or hype. It's my real journey. If I could build this from scratch, you can too. Here's what we'll cover: where I started with $50,000 and why I chose SCHD, my 8-year timeline and income growth, the 3 key decisions that changed everything, and the 5 mistakes that cost me $73,000. Most importantly, I'll show you how to avoid those mistakes and build your own path to freedom. In 2018, at age 32, I was working a sales job making $48,000 a year and completely miserable. Every Sunday night, I dreaded Monday morning. I had $50,000 saved from living with my parents, no debt, but no real direction. That money sat in a savings account earning almost nothing. One night, I discovered dividend investing on YouTube. The idea of getting paid without working changed everything. I started doing the math and realized financial freedom might actually be possible. I knew $50,000 alone wouldn't be enough, so I created a simple plan: invest the entire amount into SCHD and consistently add $1,000 every month from my salary. My goal was to build enough dividend income to eventually replace my paycheck. At the time, it sounded crazy. I had doubts, fears, and no guarantee it would work. But I committed to the process anyway. That decision completely changed my life. Year 1, 2018. At age 32, I invested my entire $50,000 into SCHD at $52 per share, owning 961 shares. My first dividend payment was $721. Seeing money arrive without working for it changed my mindset completely. I started investing $1,000 every month. By year-end, my portfolio reached $62,000 with nearly $3,000 in annual dividends. Year 2, I added another $12,000, growing the portfolio to $84,000, and dividends to $4,200 yearly. But I made a mistake. I spent the dividends instead of reinvesting them. That decision eventually cost me around $18,000 in future growth. Year 3, COVID crashed the market. My portfolio dropped from $96,000 to $64,000 in weeks. I nearly sold everything out of fear, but I held on and kept buying monthly. By the end of the year, the portfolio recovered. That taught me a powerful lesson: never panic sell. Year 4, the market surged. SCHD climbed, and my portfolio grew to $145,000 with $6,500 in annual dividends. I increased monthly investing to $1,500. Year 5. Another market drop came, but this time I stayed calm and bought more aggressively. One of the best financial decisions I ever made. Year 6, 2023, was the turning point. My portfolio reached $230,000, and annual dividends crossed $10,400. For the first time, financial freedom felt real. But after running the numbers, I realized I still wouldn't have enough by 40 unless I changed something. So I made the biggest decision of my journey. I went all in. I cut expenses hard: no restaurants, vacations, or unnecessary spending. I moved into a cheaper apartment, sold my car, and bought an old Honda Civic. My monthly investing jumped from $1,500 to $2,500. Friends thought I was ruining my 30s, but I knew I was buying freedom. Year 7, 2024, I invested another $30,000. My portfolio climbed to $320,000, producing $14,600 in yearly dividends. Year 8, 2025. Portfolio value reached $392,000. That still wasn't enough to fully replace my income. But I realized something important. I didn't need millions immediately. SCHD's dividend growth would continue compounding over time. By living frugally and letting the income grow, I could bridge the gap. At age 40 in 2026, I finally quit my job and became financially independent. Let me break down the 3 decisions that changed everything. Decision 1. Going all in early. I invested my full $50,000 immediately instead of spreading it out over time. Over 8 years, that choice added thousands more because time in the market matters more than timing the market. Decision 2. Buying during crashes. When markets crashed in 2020 and 2022, I kept buying while others panicked. Those purchases during fear created some of my biggest gains during the recovery. Decision 3. Living below my means. From age 37 to 39, I lived extremely frugally and invested around 60% of my income. Most people increase spending as income rises. I did the opposite. Those years of aggressive saving added over $60,000 to my portfolio and accelerated my timeline dramatically. That's what made the difference between working until 45 and reaching freedom at 40. Now let me show you the 5 mistakes that cost me thousands and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1. Spending dividends instead of reinvesting them early on. That single decision reduced my long-term compound growth significantly. Mistake 2. Ignoring tax advantages. I used taxable accounts first instead of maximizing my Roth IRA, costing me unnecessary taxes and slower growth. Mistake 3. Waiting too long to increase contributions. I didn't start investing aggressively until later, which delayed my portfolio growth by years. Mistake 4. Checking my portfolio constantly during crashes. Watching daily losses almost pushed me to sell in panic. Now I check far less often and stay focused long-term. Mistake 5. Trying to figure everything out alone. I learned valuable strategies like tax loss harvesting and Roth conversions too late because I wasn't connected to other investors. Altogether, these mistakes cost me around $73,000 in missed growth and opportunities. If I had done everything perfectly, my portfolio would be much larger today. But honestly, I'm still grateful, because despite the mistakes, I reached financial freedom. And now you can learn from my errors instead of repeating them. So where am I today? I'm 40 years old and quit my job 3 months ago. My SCHD portfolio is worth about $392,000, generating roughly $14,000 per year or $1,176 per month. That's not the $4,200 monthly income from the intro, but here's the key: dividend growth. SCHD's dividends have historically grown around 12% annually. If that continues, my income keeps rising without adding more money. In 5 years, my monthly dividends could exceed $2,000. In 10 years, around $3,600. Eventually, over $4,000 per month. Right now, I live extremely frugally, spending less than my income and reinvesting the difference. That means the portfolio continues compounding even after retirement. To me, financial freedom isn't luxury cars or mansions. It's waking up without an alarm, having control of your time, and never dreading Monday morning again. Was the sacrifice worth it? Absolutely. Years of discipline bought me decades of freedom, and that trade changed my life forever. If you're stuck in a job you hate like I was, listen carefully. Financial freedom is possible. The strategy is simple. Buy SCHD, invest consistently every month, reinvest dividends, and stay calm during crashes. Time and discipline do the heavy lifting. I started with $50,000, but your starting amount doesn't matter nearly as much as consistency. Whether it's $5,000 or $100,000, the process stays the same. Start today. Set up automatic investments, turn on dividend reinvestment, and think long-term. Over time, small investments become life-changing income. Subscribe for more real financial freedom stories, actual numbers, and long-term investing strategies. No hype, just patience and consistency. Thanks for watching. And remember, 8 years of sacrifice buys you 40 years of freedom. Start today.